How is it possible that we have members earning anywhere from $500 to $600 a day consistently just by using one strategy inside a Pocket Option? When everybody else is blowing accounts, watching YouTube videos, our members are getting profitable. I'm going to share with you the exact strategy right on this video. Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I've got an incredible strategy to share with you today, something that is changing lives inside of our private VIP group. We have members earning anywhere from $100 to $600 per day just by using this one strategy that is so simple to use. There's no indicators, there's no fancy little gadgets or this and that. It's just plain old charts, watching the seconds drop on the different candles, and then you take your entry. It's very simple, it's low stress, and I think you guys are absolutely going to love it. So stay locked in because this is a video you are not going to want to miss. Let's go ahead and jump in here. So I'm starting with just a plain chart, but there's a couple adjustments that we're going to be doing today. So first thing, come right over here to the chart settings inside a Pocket Option. We're going to be using regular candles, and you must set the chart to S30 for 30 seconds. Okay, so make sure that's set up right there. Now over on the expiry up here, let's go ahead and we're going to change this. This is the duration. This is how long the trades are going to last. We're going to want to set this to 5 seconds. So this is quick, guys. You're going to get in and out of the markets very, very quickly with this strategy. So I've got my OTC assets that are applied to the top of Pocket Option up here. We're also going to be using the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, which is a highly advanced trade manager with mathematical calculations that allows you to win even if you have losses. Now, this is only available to all of the VIP members inside of our private Telegram group. And this is extremely powerful. This is how, if you look at the testimonials that we have, this is how we are staying consistent. The members in the VIP group, if you look at the results, it's just incredible. This allows you to compound your account over a long period of time. Something like this was never really available or was never able to be achievable until now. And so that's why I'm excited about it. This is something that we are constantly updating this to keep it sharp. We're adding new features all the time so you guys can get the best results with your trading. And so we're going to be using this right on this video so you can see it in action. And even though if we have losses, we can still come out in profit. It's a beautiful thing. Let's go ahead and back over to Pocket Option. But what I'm going to do here, let's look up here at the top, and we've got $500. This is a real account. Okay, this is real money inside a Pocket Option, 500 bucks. Back over to the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, I've entered in my initial capital, which is $500. I've got my settings up here. You know, you can choose whatever settings that you want. You can make it super risky, super conservative, whatever you guys want to do. The first trade amount for me is going to be 181. So I'm going to take this amount and go back over to Pocket Option and enter that in at 181. Awesome. And now we're all set to go. So now we can begin trading. So how exactly does this strategy work? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. Also, make sure to check out my private Telegram group where members are earning anywhere from 5 to 50% per day on their trading accounts. No shady signals or copy trading, just real actionable strategies. You'll get full access to all my trade managers and calculators that are designed to help you stay profitable. Plus, you'll discover some of the best trading strategies in the world for binary options. If you're tired of getting screwed over, blowing your account, or dealing with unreliable communities, then this is the place for you. Reach out to me right now on Telegram and be a part of this rapid growing group that is making waves in the trading space. Link in the description for more information. So let's check out the screenshots and I'll show you exactly how this works. Now, what you're looking for is a little bit of a breakout in one direction or the other. Something that looks like this, for example. Okay, we've got a couple red candles. Now, here's what you're not going to trade with. Maybe something that looks like this. You have a little bit of sideways price action where the candles are really close together like that. Maybe you have a red and a green candle side by side. You're going to go ahead and pass, or you can wait until this situation starts to break out and looks more something like this. So you're looking for the candles to kind of be stacked on top of each other, okay? Not side by side. You'll just go ahead and pass on that. Once you see this, then you're going to wait for the next candle to appear. This could be, let's just say there's a series of 3 candles. You're waiting for the 4th candle to appear. In this example, if you have a couple red candles, you're waiting for the 3rd candle to appear. And what do you do when that next candle appears? And it's right over here. Each one of these candles on the 30-second chart represents 30 seconds. So you will enter the trade after the first 5 seconds of the next candle. So whichever direction this candle is going in, for this example, this is a green candle that has appeared after these 2 red candles, right? So if it's green, then you're going to go for a buy. Now, what if the next candle after these 2 red candles is red? Well, after the first 5 seconds, you're going to go in for a sell. Okay, this is the strategy, guys, and this is 5 seconds. So you wait for the first 5 seconds. So if it's a 30-second candle, 29, 28, 27, 26, as soon as it hits 25, you enter. And the direction that you enter is the direction of the candle. Really simple. Okay? Now we're going to be doing some live trading here. And once you see that, I think it's going to make a little bit more sense. So let's go back over to Pocket Option. And so does it really matter what chart, which pair, which asset? It really doesn't. You can use this on live markets. You can use it on OTC. You can use it on stocks, crypto, whatever you want to use. For me, I'm just comfortable using the currencies and selecting the ones that say OTC, which are over-the-counter markets, okay? Just means that I can trade any time of day and I don't have to worry about opening and closing times of the stock market. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in here, guys. So we have made sure over here on the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, we have 181, which is the first trade amount. I've entered that in over here. And so let's go ahead and look for a setup. And it is already happening right before our eyes. Look at this. We've got 1 and 2 green candles, large in the bodies. And after the first 5 seconds of this red candle, I would have went in for a sell. Okay, but because we didn't go in on this, could we enter on this next candle that appears? Possibly. If it looks good, however, if the candle is flipping back and forth between red and green during the first 5 seconds, you're going to want to stay out. So just stay out. And I will also demonstrate that here. And this is looking a little bit wicky for me. I'm going to go ahead and switch the chart. We got about 10 more seconds to go on this candle. Nice push to the upside. We got about 1 more second to go. Here's the new candle. First 5 seconds, 27, 26, 25. I'm going to go ahead and enter. That's all you have to do. If it's a win, if it's a loss, it doesn't matter. You have the trade manager on your side. In this case, it was a loss, and that's fine. Let's go back over to the trade manager. Mark this first one as a loss. The next trade amount is going to be 341. Let's go ahead and put that in. Great, we're all ready to go. So we're waiting for the first 5 seconds of a new candle that appears after a little bit of a breakout. Now, is this a breakout right here? Not really. So I will go ahead and continue. And we got about 2 more seconds to go. Looks like it's getting weaker. 29, 28, 27, 26, and 25. I'm entering right there. You see that? It's that simple, guys. And there you go. So let's go back over here to the trade manager. Mark this as a win. And because the next trade size is less than $1, we can't trade less than $1 inside a pocket option. So we will consider this session as completed. We can come down here, press the reset button. Let's go ahead and add one session that has been completed with the session counter. Back over to pocket option, take the current balance, which is now higher. It's 501.33. 501.33. Now, if you've noticed, we've had a loss. Now, typically, if you're trading in pocket option with the same amount, if you do not have any type of money management system, if you have a loss, you have to have 2 wins in a row to make up for that loss. But with the trade manager, that's not the case. You could have multiple losses. I could have 9 losses and still only have 2 wins, and this session could still be profitable. That's the power behind this. Let's go ahead and continue. The first trade amount is 182. All right, let's go ahead and look for another setup. Now this looks pretty good. This is the same chart, and we've got about 13 more seconds to go. Pushing up very nicely. Let's stand by and wait for the next candle and see what the color is and see what it's doing after the first 5 seconds. Here it is, guys. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. It's green. I will enter. Just like that. That's all you got to do. Come back over here to the trade manager. Mark this as a win on the first trade. The next trade's less than $1. Let's go ahead and consider this session completed. And I will add another session that has been completed with a session counter. That's 2 sessions so far. Let's take the new balance, which is 503, over on the trade manager. The next trade amount is 182. Back over on pocket option. I've already got 182 entered in for the amount. And let's go ahead and look for another setup. All right, let's check this out right here. 26, 25, it's green. We had 2 large green candles here. 1 more second to go, and that's a loss, guys. It did push up a little bit and looks like it's continuing to go up, but unfortunately, that was a loss, but that's okay. We've got the trade manager on our side. And let's go ahead and mark that as a loss. The next trade amount is 343. And I'll go ahead and verify and make sure that's right. Okay, awesome. All right, let's look for another setup here. This might work, but I'll just go ahead and choose a different chart because that's too fast. That's why they call it the Fast 5, because you really have to be quick. Okay, interesting. 28, 27, 26, 25. This is really risky, guys. It's not moving a whole lot. What do we got here? It's a win. Let's go back over to the trade manager. Mark this as a win. This session is completed. I will go ahead and reset. Let's add another session that has been completed with the session counter. Back over to pocket option. New balance is 504.34. This is it. This is all you do. First trade amount is going to be 183. And we continue this process. This is all you have to do. Okay, this one looks good right here. We got about 16 more seconds to go. And looking really nice so far. 10 seconds on this 30-second candle. And the payout amount for this asset is 92%. We got 2 more seconds for the next 30-second candle, and it looks like it's going to be green. 27, 26, 25. I will go ahead and enter. Looks like we got a little bit of a push down there. And what's it going to be? So that is a win. We've won another trade with the Fast 5 strategy. Just incredible. This session is completed. Let me go ahead and reset this. Let's add another completed session. That's 4 sessions we've had on this video. Guys, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Over here to pocket option, grab the new balance, which is 506.02. Back over here, 506.02. Next trade amount is a little bit higher now. It's 184. So we are compounding our results. Instead of 183, it's 184. Let's do one more session. One more session. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a challenge here. Maybe we'll have some losses. Maybe something exciting for you guys watching this video. Just something interesting. Because I know sometimes that I make it look easy, and it's not always like that. Okay, everybody has their winning streaks. Everybody has their losing streaks. All right, here we go. 10 seconds on this 30-second candle. 8 seconds to go. 5 more seconds. Let's wait for that next 30-second candle. Let's see what it gives us. Here it is. Green so far, 28, 27, 26, 25. It's pushing down. I will enter. 2 more seconds to go. Oh, okay. It was a loss. That's all right. Let's go back over here to the trade manager. Mark this as a loss. The next trade amount is 345. Let's go ahead and enter that. Awesome. And let's just keep on going. And let's go through here quick. Let's find some quick setups here, guys. Let's see what's it going to be. What's it going to be? A red or a green candle? We got about 2 more seconds to go, and there it is. So it's red, 28, 27, 26, holding red. Ooh, man, that's risky, guys. Really risky. I can see that pulling back. Yeah, I saw that pulling back there, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and enter this as a loss. And the next trade amount is 639. 639, we're ready for the next trade. So normally if we had 2 losses in a row, we would have to have like 3 wins in a row if we were not using the trade manager. And I think this really places a lot of traders in a bind where they find themselves over trading to try to make up for losses. And that's the thing. Inside of the Wealth Warriors Alliance, we do not make up for losses. We just follow what the trade manager says, and we still come out in profit. So that's what's great. Let's go ahead and change the chart here. Look for another setup. I may take this, just this push 28, 27, 25, 26, 25. Oh, it ended up being an indecisive right at the last second. So that was a bad entry on my part. But hey, that happens. And over time, and the more practice you do, you will get better. The next trade amount is 1168. All right, here we go. We've got a little bit of a rally here going up. We got about 10 more seconds to go on this 30-second candle. And let's see what's going to happen here. 4 more seconds to go. It looks like it's red. 27, 26, 25. I'm going to enter. We got about 3 more seconds to go. Got a little bit of a pushback, but we got that push down right there, which saved us. So that is a win. Awesome. So the next trade amount is 320. Now, if you can look at this and see that the trade amounts are getting smaller now. And normally what happens with a lot of traders is they end up trading more and more and more. And because they think if they win, then they can make up for losses. But what really happens is they add more to their account. And if they have another loss, that just buries them deeper. And now they're trying to dig themselves out of a bigger hole than what they started with. With the trade manager, you do not have to do that. I'm just going to say, please do not do it because that is like a never-ending downward spiral. I talk to like 100 people a day that reach out to me on Telegram, and I would say probably 99% of the time when you guys reach out to me, you tell me that you're not making money. You're not profitable. You're losing money. And so I show you the trade manager. The psychology just has a complete shift. It's like black and white, the difference of the results that you guys are getting from using the tools inside of the group. Blows my mind. The next trade amount is 320, back over in pocket option. We have 1 more trade to win to make this session profitable. Let's go ahead and look for another setup. Okay, nice. We got about 10 more seconds to go on this. What's going to happen? What's it going to be? We got about 3 more seconds on this candle. Here's the next one. 27, 26, 25. It's holding green. I will enter. Get a little bit more push up. There we go. There's that push that we're looking for. And we got a win. We have completed another session with the Fast 5 strategy. There it is. Back over on the trade manager. What do we do now? Well, we've marked our settings. So all we have to do is just have 2 winning trades. That's it. I just have to win 2. I don't have to win 10, 20, 30 trades in a session. 2 wins, I'm done. It's done. Let's go back over to pocket options. So let's look at this. We've had 3 losses in a row. I've only had 2 wins. Over on pocket option, my balance has increased. I started at $500. It's now $508. Try this out. This is an incredible, profitable strategy. It's called the Fast 5. And you can watch this video and get amazing results. You don't have to join my group. But the one thing that's great about the group, not only do you get the trading tools that we provide, the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager and all that good stuff, but you also get the feedback from other members. All these signal groups that are out there right now that you guys join, and you don't make any money with them, they crash your account. They do that for a reason. That's how they make money. We don't do that. I do not give out signals. I do not do copy trading. That is a very shady kind of business. I don't do that. Our members get results. That's what we're all about. If you want to be profitable or be able to get as close to profitability as possible, check out the link below and check out the group. I talk to you guys every day. I talk to you before you join, and we have conversations after you join. There's a big difference, guys. I wish you all the best of success. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hey everybody, Mark here. I have a question for you. Are you struggling to become profitable with binary options? Does it seem like no matter how many wins you get, your account balance is either going down or it just seems to stay in the same spot? Well, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, and it gives you the potential to make between 5 and 10% on your account every day. You could have multiple losses in a row and still come out profitable. And you guys know that, having proper risk management is your key to success with trading. And this Trade Manager gives you that edge that you need. So join the VIP Telegram group now and get access to all my premium calculators and spreadsheets. Now's the time. It's time to take your trading to the next level. You'll find the link below in the description of this video. Have a good day.